right, that looks pretty good. I think it's time to go find some kindling though. I'll tell you, one nice thing about this cold weather, it made the snow so hard you don't need snowshoes. Oh, my firewood is so wet. It rained really good before it got cold. We gotta prop it all up and get it to dry out before I can use it. All right, we're gonna let that fire thaw out in the shelter, get everything warmed up. I need a lot of wood. Whew. Oh, that smells amazing. I got a big slab of soft cheese covered in a fig marmalade. Just warmed it up over the fire. Got it already pre-cut into little cubes. Got a nice Italian salami. There we go. Warm cheese, little salami, and some fig sauce.